How to change the default SMS messaging receiving app on your OnePlus Nord phone with Android 15. Before showing you how to go about changing this, if you want some more free messaging apps, you can always go to the Play Store, type in messaging or messaging apps, and find the ones that's free and compatible. Now, once you've done all that here, go into your quick access like this here, tap on the settings toggle found at the top right here, and when you are here, go down the list of all the features and settings until you see apps right here. As you enter here, you're gonna see default apps. When you go into it, you're going to see the different default app settings and go down until you see SMS app. Now, only the compatible ones will show up here. If you install Messenger and you notice it doesn't show up here, that's because once upon a time, it used to be available as changing it as a default SMS, but it's no longer there. Now, if you do decide to go with one of them here, as you select it, it will become that default SMS app. And of course, some of them may require you to restart your phone. Go ahead and do that. And you can do this anytime, like and sub.